Hi guys, it's been ages since I spoke on one of these videos, but I feel I need to explain what's going to happen with the daily diary stroke this week at CycleRecycle. It's getting increasingly difficult to get these videos out because the shop is so busy. And as a result, we're getting behind, and more importantly, things aren't getting done because I'm trying to get the videos done, which isn't sustainable. So this is the last ever this week at CycleRecycle, and which was the predecessor of which was the daily diary. But don't despair, and definitely don't subscribe, because I think we've got something better lined up. What I think we're going to do from now on is look into bikes in more detail, because I'm really worried that we're going to spend an awful lot of time watching me doing the same things every day. So things like washing bikes or repairing punches, which I'm guessing you're not overly keen to watch, and I'm not overly keen to film. Whereas we can do big specific jobs and really go into detail of how to do it. Hopefully you guys can learn something. Hopefully you guys can hopefully it'll be more enjoyable to watch. So we're going to go in that direction. The other thing is, there's been no one-take bike tours or one-take rouvy rides, and the reason is I've done my anterior cruciate ligament, which has thrown everything, all the plans, out of the window. Not to mention it really hurts. So hopefully soon. I've been resting, I'm having sports therapy, and I've got a really good TENS machine, and I'm doing various exercises. I'm hoping they'll be back soon. So hopefully this explains why there hasn't been this week at CycleRecycle for a little while, and also I hope this explains what's going to be happening in the future, and I hope you really enjoy what we've got coming up. The first video will be soon, and you guys will be the first to see it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you ever so much for your support, really do appreciate it, and we'll be back soon.